Today, we're taking a look at Alice, an AI assistant that uses leading AI models to tackle mundane tasks with quick replies, keyboard shortcuts, and automations. She's the fastest, most efficient AI assistant on this side of the internet. Just share your request, hit enter, and boom, you've got loads of AI models to work with, like OpenAI, Anthropic, and Perplexity. Alice has tons of pre-built prompts or snippets for common tasks like translating, stylizing, or extending text. You can even create your own snippets for pretty much whatever you need. And if you want to jump back into something, Alice stores all of your chat history. Think Alice is cool now? Wait till you upgrade to tier 2, because that's when you can use remote actions and enable voice commands. Just click on the image icon, describe what you want, and Alice will connect to Dolly to create it. You can make a bunch of assistants for specific tasks. One can help with marketing, the other with scheduling. You get the idea. Your assistants will always do their job, so you can keep doing yours.